Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuit cake. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of your favorite biscuits, like Digestive or Marie. We'll also use 1/2 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder for that rich chocolatey flavor. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a greased 6-inch baking tin. These are the foundational elements for a delicious, easy-to-make cake. Now, let's prepare our biscuit base. Take your 200 grams of biscuits and crush them into a fine powder. A food processor works wonders, or you can place them in a bag and use a rolling pin. The goal is a consistent, fine crumb. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder until everything is well combined and the sugar has dissolved. This creates our flavorful liquid base. It's time to bring everything together. Slowly pour the wet cocoa mixture into your crushed biscuit crumbs. Mix thoroughly until you have a thick, uniform batter. Now, gently fold in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This will give our cake a lovely lift. Transfer this delicious batter into your greased 6-inch baking tin. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. Once baked, let your beautiful biscuit cake cool in the tin for about 10 minutes. This helps it firm up before you try to remove it. Then, carefully invert it onto a wire rack to cool completely. This usually takes at least 30 minutes. You can then decorate it with a simple chocolate ganache, a dusting of powdered sugar, or some fresh berries. Slice into generous portions and enjoy your delightful, easy-to-make biscuit cake with loved ones.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.